Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you remember when we made a video concerning Jakande, anyways, this is the final look of Jakande road that was being constructed over the past 2 months. This road has been in shambles for a very long time, but the government has finally come to the aid of the residents around this area and has securely make sure the road is working perfectly fine. As you can see, this is Jakande. The last time I made a video was during the construction, and now the construction is over, but there's still a problem. The market people are still on the road. As you can see, I made this video on a Sunday, and that is why it doesn't look so busy. It used to be busy with bus parked all over the road loading passengers. If you stay in Nigeria, you definitely understand what I'm talking about, and if you're not in Nigeria, let me explain. There is a popular bus with the color yellow that is known in Nigeria. They actually park on the roadside to pick up passengers, and they are usually on this road. So that is kind of population you get on this place. People also sell markets here during daytime, like morning, afternoon, and worstly at night, because there's a lot of population, people returning back from work, and also this place is filled up with waste bin and many other things. As you can see, the drainage is the only thing that is being constructed, which I will later show you in this video. This Jakande area has been known for popularly being flooded a lot of time, especially whenever rain falls. This place doesn't have a good drainage system, and the little drainage they have has been occupied or filled up and also blocked by dirt from the waste bin. This video might not be as steady as possible. Please bear with me because it's not really easy to film a public place like this without taking permission from everyone. So filming here, it's not very easy as it might seem on the screen, because most people don't want to be shown on camera, and you have to film it by looking at them directly and just signaling, or rather waving your hand. That's to say, sorry, I'm not showing your face. So I mostly do this at times, and none of these people has ever gotten so aggressive or even come close to like attack me. So it's usually peaceful whenever I'm making a video. But please bear with me in case the video is not as straight or as smooth as you might want it to be. Moving on, this is the drainage area. They are constructing a long drainage that is going to be connecting the Jakande area and also the drainage at the coastal road. In case you don't know, this is Jakande's second gate. It is where the ShopRite area is, and this Jakande has a very bad drainage system, and also it used to be a very popular estate. They call it Jakande Estate. It used to be a very popular place for the rich, but that was during the 90s and early 2000s. But for now, Jakande is just a place filled with street boys, bad housing, bad road, bad drainage, and that is currently how it looks. Bringing to you this screen, this is the drainage that is being constructed. As you can see, the drainage was being digged out on Saturday evening. I think I'll leave a link of the video I made concerning the drainage, but I haven't posted the video yet because of some reasons. And this drainage, this is how it looks. It's actually long, very long, but not so wide and not so deep, but it is enough to do the job of moving water from one location to another, so that this area will suffer no more from flooding. Tell me what you think on the comment section, because I'll be right here reading and replying everyone who drops a comment. And definitely I would love to learn if you have ever lived in Jakande or ever heard the name before. Jakande is a very popular place in Lagos, so I expect a lot of people in Lagos with over 26 million citizens or residents to know this place.
la ya'lamu al-ghaiba illa Allah ba sanin gaibu sai Allah magani sirrin Allah ne sirrin Allah sai Allah wayo dabara bai gane aikin magani sai ka jaraba na baka wannan magani ka tona gadanan nan a yau mutum take ba aljani ba har ka mutu ka koma da Allah ba za ka manta da ni ba in Allah ya guda ɗaya naira 100 guda 3 200 nake bada kuma